Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by making sure the controller and Citra are ready. Plug or pair the controller to your PC and verify the operating system lists it. This confirms driver-level connectivity. Once done, open Citra and locate emulation configure controls right away. Make sure you've selected the right controller API, X input for Xbox-like devices, so inputs map correctly. This prevents ghost inputs. Now that detection and basic configuration are set, proceed to mapping each button to Citra's virtual gamepad. Now you map controls precisely so gameplay feels natural. In Citra's controls dialog, select your controller and click each virtual button to assign a physical input. Press buttons deliberately to avoid accidental double mapping. For analog sticks, move them gently while assigning so Citra captures full range. Set a small dead zone, about 0, 0.5 to 0. 15, if sticks drift, this filters noise while preserving responsiveness. If triggers appear digital, toggle any analog input option so pressure sensitivity works correctly. Once mapped and calibrated, test in a simple game. Finish by saving your profile and validating it under real conditions. Launch a game and perform quick inputs, combos, and analog movements to confirm accuracy. If something feels off, return to controls and adjust dead zone or button assignments. If the controller isn't responding, unplug and replug, repair Bluetooth, or try another USB port. These simple steps often resolve handshake issues. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the controller API between X input and direct input in Citra. Many compatibility problems clear up immediately when you switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.